Hey there, it's Candis Hidalgo, Houston Suburbs Realtor with Real Broker. Today I'm in front of this beautiful brand new Brightland model home. It's the Juniper model. I'm here in the Woodlands Hills, but they built this model all around the Houston suburbs. So let's go inside and take a look. You're gonna just love it.
I was really impressed with how high the ceilings were, even in the bathroom. Closet. Really high ceilings in the closet. Peekaboo to the other side. Soaking tub. Let's open the shower. Tile finished all the way to the ceiling. And then it goes all the way around, which is really nice. Let's go out to the backyard. Of course, you do have the 7-foot nature buffer at the back of all lots in the Woodlands Hills. I hope you enjoyed that tour, and remember, the Woodlands Hills is a master plan community in the Houston suburbs, just about 45 minutes up from downtown Houston and 15 minutes up from the award-winning community, the Woodlands. The Woodlands Hills has incredible resort-style amenities like leisure pool with lazy river, fitness and lap pool that's open year-round, dog parks, tennis courts, clubhouse, so many other wonderful amenities, and just a few miles from Lake Conroe. It really is a beautiful community out here in the Woodlands Hills. I'm a resident and a realtor here in the Woodlands Hills, so if you are looking to buy here, feel free to reach out. I do these videos for you. Also, if you're looking somewhere else in the Houston suburbs, I'm happy to help you there too. And it's my pleasure to help folks find their home here in Texas. That's it for now. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.